learning, friend. What traders are learning is that this is called Nasdaq 100, even though it says VXN up here. Don't pay attention to that. It says Nasdaq 100, and this says VXN 100. This is the volatility index in there, and basically what will happen is I've been showing traders, this goes up, this goes down. The other chart that we have over here is called a Google chart. Here is the Google chart if my monitor would quit freezing. Google is a leader in that Nasdaq 100, okay? And basically, here's the Nasdaq 100. When you get a red bar here, you get a red bar over there. And this fear indicator goes lower. That means we're putting, it's a good thing in the short term because what the market's trying to do is put a floor in at support. Okay? They lag a little bit from each other, but just remember, you want this to be red so that can go green. Here, let me get my chart over there. Oh, I don't like freezing up where I can't move my windows around. Now, here it is. You want that to be red so that this can go higher. And there's your move on Google. Like I said, you would put a bottom in here on Google, and I told you that before the opening bell, and I told you about the MACD, and I told you about the volume, and I told you about the minute period moving averages, and I told you about the immune system of the trade. And I told you. And I did. And I told you about the bottom to buy down here. And I told you. And I told you to watch the VXN to tick down. And I told you over here, I told you that if the Nasdaq 100 right here, this is it, I told you that when it goes higher, the equity goes higher. I then told you, you've been given a gift. You want to learn more about it? Hold on.